Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel Learning with Roshan Sir. We provides video on physics, chemistry, maths and Vedic maths. हमारे चैनल के सारे वीडियोस को देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें. Now let's start with the video. Here we start with exercise 10.4 of the chapter Algebraic Expression and Identities. Now let's see question number 1. And in this question we have to divide a monomial by a monomial. We can write both of them as this one. Then we are going to solve it. Very first of all, we have cancelled the signs and now 39 and 24 can be divided by 3. We are going to reduce the literal terms also. So final answer we will be getting 13 upon 8 r to the power 4 upon p square q. Here we have subtracted 1 power of p from this 3. So we are left with only 2 powers. Then here q square is subtracted from q cube. So 3 minus 2 we have got 1. And then in this case, here we are having greater, so it is subtracted over here and we have got 4. So final answer we are having 13 upon 8 r to the power 4 upon p square cube. Now let's see the second part of this one. In this second part we are having a fraction in the case of the numerical coefficient. So we are going to write this one as, and after this we are going to make a reciprocal of this one and multiply to 3 by 4. After making a transpose and multiplying with it, we have got this and then rest of them will be copied. Now we are going to reduce it, and on reducing we have finally got minus 7 upon 8. Here we have got minus 7 and 4 2s are 8. Then here a cube upon a square. So 3 minus 2 we have got a over here. In case of the b we are having 3 minus 2 over here. So we are left with 1b. And that's your final answer. Now let's see question number 2. Here in question number 2, we have to divide this whole expression by 3x. That is polynomial by a monomial. We are going to write this one as this. Here we have just written this number 3x beneath all of the terms of this polynomial. And after that we are going to reduce it. And after solving, we are left with this much. Here we have reduced 9 by 3 and then x to the power 4 minus 1 we have got 3. Then similarly over here minus 8 upon 3 is just copied, and then x to the power 3 minus 1 we have got x square, and here 12 upon 3 we have got 4, and then x is cancelled out, and at last we have just cancelled 3 and we are left with 1 upon x. And this is the final answer for this question. Now let's see the second part of this question number 2. Here again we are having a polynomial and it's to be divided by a monomial, and we are going to write this one as, and here we get this. Now we are going to reduce all of them, and on reducing it by the divisor we have got minus 7q square over here, as 2 is dividing 14 to get 7, and then p square is cancelled out. P cube upon q is p square. Then over here minus and minus will become plus. Then 32 divided by 2 we get 16. Then p cube upon p square we got p, and p square upon q we got q. And similarly over here minus and plus we got minus sign. Then 15 upon 2 can't be solved, so we just copied it, and then p square and p. So here we are left with 1p, and here it is q square upon q, so we are left with q over here. Then in this case minus 11 upon minus 2, so minus minus plus, so 11 upon, then p square minus p we got p, and q is just copied over here. Then over here 2 is dividing 18 to get 9, plus and minus we got minus, and here q is cancelled out and we are left with p square. So this is the final answer for this question. Now in question number 3 we have to divide a polynomial by a binomial. So in this case we are going to write this one as this, in which divisor is written over here and dividend over here. Now we are going to multiply 2x by any number to get 6x square. So 2x में हम ऐसा क्या multiply करें कि हमें 6x square मिल जाए. So we get 3x. So we are going to multiply 2x by 3x to get 6x square. और फिर इस 3x से इन दोनों नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. And here we get 6x square plus 3x. 2x into 3x we get 6x square, and 1 into 3x we have got 3x. Now we will subtract these two. Firstly we have changed the sign, and now we are going to subtract it. Here first two are cancelled out because they both were having equal values and different signs. Now 13 minus 3, that is 10x. Now we'll copy down plus 5. Then we'll multiply something in 2x to get 10x, and we get 5. So 2x into 5 we get 10x. After that we will multiply 1 also with 5 to get 5. Then after writing this, we are going to change the signs of these two and then subtract it. And after subtracting, we get 0 as the remainder. So our quotient is x plus 5 and the remainder is 0. Now let's see the second question. In the second part, we are having 1 plus y cube by 1 plus y. So very first of all, we are going to write this one as y plus 1 and y cube plus 1. Then we are going to see what we multiply in y to get y cube, and we get y square. So we are going to multiply y square to get y cube. Then 1 is also multiplied by y square to get y square. Now y by the y square we get y cube, and 1 by the y square we get y square. Now we are going to subtract it. Then we are going to copy this minus y square over here and then 1 over here. Now we will see what we multiply in y to get minus y square, and we will be getting minus y. 1 will also be multiplied by minus y, and we will be getting minus y over here. Now I will change the sign of the denominator. Now I will change the sign of the lower terms, and here we are left with this one. Plus y is copied and plus 1 is copied over here. Then what we multiply in y to get y only? So we get 1. On multiplying y by 1 we get y only. And 1 is multiplied by 1 to get 1. Now we are going to subtract these two and we'll be getting 0 as they both are same. And here we get 0 as the remainder, and the quotient is y square minus y plus 1. Now let's see one more part from here. Here we have the third part. In this one, we have to divide this expression by this binomial. Now first of all, we are going to write this one as this one. Here we have seen that we have written this one in a reduced form of the parts, and similarly over here. Now we will see what we multiply in x to get minus 2x square, and we get, then we will be multiplying 1 by minus 2x to get minus 2x over here, and after this we will subtract it, and here we get 3x as the difference of these two because these two are cancelled out. Now we are going to copy the 5 over here, and now we'll see what we multiply in x to get 3x. So we'll multiplying this one by 3, and here we get 3x plus 3 on multiplying x plus 1 by 3. Now we are going to subtract this one, and we get 2 as the remainder and minus 2x plus 3 as the quotient. Now let's see the last part of this question. In this one we are having the polynomial of 4 terms divided by a binomial. And very first of all, we are going to write this one as this one. Then we'll see what we multiply in x to get x cube, and we get x square. On multiplying x by x square we get x cube. Then we are going to multiply this x and minus 2 both by x square, and we will be getting, now we'll change the sign of the second expression and subtract it. And on subtracting we get minus 4x square as these two are cancelled out. Then we have copied plus 12 over here. Now we'll see what we multiply in x to get minus 4x square, and result is minus 4x. Now we'll be multiplying x and minus 2 both by minus 4x. After this we'll change the sign of these two terms and then subtract it. And here we get 4x from these two, the subtraction of these two as they are cancelled out, and minus 8 from here. Now we multiply x by 4 to get 4x. So then we'll multiplying x minus 2 both by 4 to get 4x minus 8. Then we'll be subtract it. And on subtracting we get 0 as the remainder, and the quotient as x square minus 4x plus 4. Now let's move to the question number 4. Here we have question number 4. In this again, we have to divide this polynomial by a binomial. Here we have written this in this form, where this one is divisor and this one is quotient. Now we'll see what we multiply in 3x to get 6x cube. So we get 2x square. On multiplying 3x by 2x square, we get 6x cube. So here we write 2x square, and now we are going to multiply 3x minus 7 by 2x square. Now we'll subtract it. On subtracting, we have got this, and now we'll just copy minus 26 over here. Then we'll see what we multiply in 3x to get 15x square, and we get 5x. Then on multiplying these two, 3x by 15 we have got this, and minus 7 into 5 we have got minus 35. Then we have changed the sign, and now we will subtract it. Here we are left with 9x minus 25. Now we will multiply 3x by 3 to get 9x, and minus 7 into plus 3 to get minus 21. Then we are going to subtract these two, and we are left with minus 4 as remainder and 2x square plus 5x plus 3 as quotient. Now here in question number 5 we are having a division of a polynomial by a trinomial. So first of all we are going to write this one as this. Then we'll see what we multiply in a square to get a cube, and we get a. On multiplying a to the a square we get a cube. Now we are going to multiply each and every term, that is 3 terms, with a and write over here. Now we'll subtract the second terms, and we have changed the sign over here. On subtracting, we got a square after subtracting 2a square by a. Then 2a minus a we got a. Then 1 is copied from here. Now we'll see what we multiply in a square to get a square, and we see that we get this one by multiplying by 1. Now we see that on multiplying each and every term by 1 we get all of these terms only, and on writing this one we just subtract it, and to get here we have just written this all and then change the sign of all the second term, and on subtracting we'll be getting 0 because all of them will be cancelled out. Here the quotient is a plus 1 and remainder is 0. Now let's see the second part of this question. And here we get this 12x cube minus 17x square plus 26x minus 18 divided by 3x square minus 2x plus 5. Again, a polynomial is divided by a trinomial. Very first of all, we are going to write this one in a division form. Then we'll see what we multiply in 3x square to get 12x cube. And here we see on multiplying 3 by 4x, we get this one. Now we'll multiplying all of the 3 terms by 4x and I'm going to write over here. Then we'll change the signs of the second terms, and on subtracting we get minus 9x square and then plus 6x, and this minus 18 is copied over here. Now we'll see what we multiply in 3x square to get minus 9x square, and we see on multiplying by minus 3 we get minus 9x square. Now we'll be multiplying all these terms by minus 3 and we get, then we'll change the signs of the second expressions, and on solving we get minus 3 as a remainder and 4x minus 3 as quotients. Now let's see the last question of this exercise. Here in this question we have been given with the area of the rectangle as 8x square minus 45y square plus 18xy, and one of the side is 4x plus 15y, and we have to find the length of the other side. So we assumed the other side as the length, and now we have to find the breadth of this rectangular field. We know area is length into breadth, and the breadth will be area upon length, that is, and we get this. Now we are going to divide this expression by this one by long division method. First of all, we have written this one in this form as writing 18xy in between, because it should be in the decreasing order, x square, then x, and then x to the power 0. or in an increasing order. So take y and y square. Now we are going to just do as usual we were doing till now. So 4 multiplied by 2 to get 8. So we have taken 2x. Now we are going to multiply both of the terms by 2x. Now we'll change the signs. And after subtracting, we have got minus 12xy and minus 45y square. Now we multiply 4x by minus 3y to get this expression. So the next one is minus 3y. And on multiplying this one, we get minus 12xy and plus 15 into minus this will be minus 45y square. Now change the signs. Here we get plus and plus in both of the cases, and then on subtracting they will be cancelled out to get 0. So the breadth of this rectangular field is 2x minus 3y, and here we get the breadth as 2x minus 3y. That's all for this video. हमारे वीडियो में लास्ट तक बने रहने के लिए थैंक यू. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट ऑन इट.